guys, welcome back. And today I have Carly with me. Introduce yourself to the channel, Carly. Do it.
I don't have to.
Okay, so she doesn't want to.
Oh no, there's food on the floor. I got the light.
Hi guys, today I'm back. Dad, it isn't the noise. Dad, okay guys, we're back on my channel with Carly. Carly, introduce yourself.
I don't have to.
Okay, she doesn't want to, so one drop of this.
Ooh.
And Carly's staining up. Go.
I got the light.
Alright, got a light. Let's put the
Tap on.
the tapa. As they say in Spanish, you can call it tapa. Oh, that's starting to mix in really good.
Okay, let's make the tornado.
And let's go.
Oh, do you see the tornado, guys?
No, we only see a thin part of it.
Let's try again.
There we go.
Ooh, I see the tornado.
Yeah, but now, Dad, you
We gotta
try.
make sure our
Dad, you take a positive spin. Okay, guys, so we're interviewing.
Here's the tornado.
There's our favorite tornado friend.
It's so cool.
Oh, it's ending.
It's ending. It's ending.
So, everybody,
It looks like a whirlpool on top, but at the bottom it looks like a tornado.
and
Ooh, did you see it, Carlos?
we do not see it, but we do see some atomic.
Oh.
Okay, so guys,
That is amazing.
this is pretty insane. And
Yeah.
it looks like a whirlpool.
Whirlpool on top.
And then,
The bottom it looks like a tornado. Whirlpool tornado.
wait. There you go.
So you can't see it with.
Without a flashlight and food coloring, but without a flashlight and no food coloring, you can see it good.
And with a flashlight and food coloring, you can see it good also. But not that good. You could just see it.
Time for the finishing. Only with a high dust. Alright, give it a high dust, Dad. So you see that one?
See that tornado?
As close as we can. Guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye. You say bye, Carly.
Bye!